What's up? Good morning. How we doing today? What's up? So, yesterday took 3 trades, more than I typically do in a day. Remember, I usually aim just to trade 1 to 2 times a day and hit my goal by then, but yesterday was it was a weird day. A lot of weird price action. 2 trades on QQQ, the other one on Apple at the end of the day during power hour. Amazon flopped. I mean, they're down. What they close at? $28.91, so almost $300. Apple's down $4. So we'll see how the market reacts. But remember, QQQ, it is at a very, very important level. So that 318.26, that's major. If we get a 3-day close below that level, that's no bueno. So I am watching that. That squeeze will continue firing down if it breaks below there. So yeah, let's just continue to keep that on our radar. And yeah, let's run it up today. Let's make some money. Hopefully you guys were able to make some money yesterday. And let's try to find some setups. Other than that, if you guys could, make sure to click that like button if you're new to the channel. Make sure to click that subscribe button. It would mean the absolute world to me. I go live every single morning at 8:15 a.m. Eastern time and give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. But yeah, where's my chart? Let's see, restore, bingo. Cool. All right, let's find these setups, baby. Again, might prioritize SPY and QQQ today. Just because, again, price action's been really weird and it's been hard to trade individual stocks, which I'm surprised QQQ isn't absolutely dying off of the earnings yesterday, but this market doesn't make sense anyway. Good morning. Is my, is there like a big black space at the bottom of the screen right here? Or is that just on my end? Because it doesn't show that on Streamlabs. Shows it on YouTube though. Weird. Alright, let's find these setups. Start with the priority week. How was everybody's day yesterday though? Good morning. Also, channel members, you guys now have emojis. Look, here's the 3 emojis that I got so far. If you guys have any recommendations, I will definitely add more. I think I get like 15 of them, or like 10. Yes, we do. We do live voice chat every single morning in the Discord channel. Yes, we do. Let's see. AMD. Not too interested in AMD. Baba. We're probably gonna, yeah. That PDD swing is going to get absolutely smoked. Thank God we did the calendar spreads because we brought our cost basis down significantly. So in reality, we're only going to lose like 50% on this trade, which is good. Instead of just the original, I think it was like $180 for the contract. We collected the premium. But yeah, needless to say that PDD is going to get clobbered. Was there like China news overnight? Because Baba's above 104. What's funny is they were sweeping a bunch of Baba calls the other day. They were putting so much money into them. As always, somebody new. Watch for this little bull flag breakout for Baba. Pull up the Discord to myself, Baba. I still think the market drops more. Personally. But we'll see. You guys like those emojis? I had a feeling you guys would. That Facebook's interesting. Keep an eye on that. We'll look at some of the oil names too. I have a swing trade that I'm watching on USO. I really like this setup. I I'm like 99% sure I missed this JKS, and I will be super upset if I can't get into it. But keep the alert there. How's Microsoft looking? Good, good, good. Maybe Microsoft, if it rebounds and gets back up above that 290.84 level, it looks like that 1 hour squeeze is looking to go. So I'll look at Microsoft. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. We got 86 people up in here and only 42 likes. Remember, the likes help with the YouTube algo, so it would mean the absolute world to me. Netflix, not interested in. Nvidia. Disaster of a chart. There we go. Nvidia, we can watch both ways. Nvidia. And remember, if you guys got any questions, feel free to ask. SQ, not interested in. Cool, and then we got our day trade stocks. Apple is pumping. Had a nice 4 hour squeeze, I guess. There goes my earnings lottos. Let's see. How's Amazon doing? Well, rest in peace to the lottos. Yeah, disclaimer. Alright, so everything talked about in this live stream is not financial advice. I am not a certified financial advisor. Everything that I speak about is based on my opinion and my opinion only. As always, you should be doing your own due diligence before entering any of the trades discussed on this live stream. I am not responsible for any lost funds. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let me type it out too. Not. Boom. Maybe if this Boeing cracked below that trend line, I'd be pretty interested in that. That's at like 151. It is a little overextended. I'll just set an alert for the time being. Let's see. So we looked at Boeing. We got Bob on the list. What's Coin up to? Coin had a nice little hammer on the daily time frame yesterday with a good amount of volume. Could see a reversal there. Let's see, CRWD. There is, I don't think, any liquidity. Yeah, there's no liquidity in CRWD, so we're going to ignore that. Chevron, like I said, I want to look at the oil names. Coming down after the earnings report. All right, not interested in that. We looked at Facebook. We looked at Microsoft. We looked at Nvidia. PayPal had a nice day yesterday. Is there liquidity in the options? I'm assuming so. Yes, because they reported earnings. Let's see. Maybe PayPal. I would personally like it above 91.5. Looks interesting. Also kind of looks like it's flagging right here. So it looks like it's about to break out. All right, so PayPal, will put that on the list. PYPL. Did all of them miss? Honestly, I don't even really look at the earnings report. Roku, nice 30-minute squeeze, crack above pre-market highs, take it to post-market highs. Roku. We looked at SQ, Target. Looks awful. Somebody asked about Tesla. Oh yeah, it is the last day of the month. Well, tomorrow is the last day of the month, but Last trading day of the month. Tesla, nice little scalp, or not scalp, gap from 884 down to 860. Maybe we could look for something there, or look for a break above 914.17 or 914.7. So we'll actually put that on the list. Tesla and Exxon. Yeah, they look like they flopped. Yeah, so one swing trade I am watching is USO. USO daily symmetrical triangle squeezing. I would like to see this thing break out. And if you guys don't know how to use a symmetrical triangle to your advantage, you duplicate the trend line on the opposite side, place it at the breakout, and that's your price target. So that's going to take us to around $93, $93 to $95. So we'll be looking at USO, maybe like the June expiration, and maybe do some calendar spreads along the way. But yeah, I really like the way that this one is setting up. Keep a very close eye on that. Somebody wants me to look at PFE. Let's see. Yeah, PFE over yesterday's high. You would have to go in next week's expiration. So PFE above 50.77. It's got room to like 50.91, 51.17, 51.36. So if you're a small account, you can watch this. I'm not gonna watch it just because contracts are too cheap. But yeah, so it looks like we pretty much got the list. The other thing is with PFE, there's a huge head and shoulders. Shoulder, head, shoulder, neckline. How do we want to connect this? We're gonna do a terrible neckline, but something like that. Good morning. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. Remember, once we hit 150 likes, that is when I will drop the watch list. Hold on. Oh, yeah, we had some news come out this morning. Didn't we get hold on, let me pull up the economic calendar. We got something dropping in 2 minutes. I forget what it is. Today is the 29th. PCE, that's what it was. All right, so PCE drops in 2 minutes, as well as a bunch of other stuff. Consumer spending, disposable income, real consumer spending. All right, so we pretty much got the list. It's a very small list. Good morning, Scott. Remember, I do have emojis for the channel members. I absolutely love this one of Elon, so y'all can use that. Yeah, small list today: Baba, Facebook, Microsoft, Nvidia, PayPal, Roku, Tesla. And let's see how the futures digest what's about to drop. Yeah, make sure you guys are liking it up. I greatly appreciate you guys. If you're not subscribed, make sure to click that subscribe button. And we got 1 minute. Let's see what we got. Yep, FOMC May 4th. May the 4th be with you. I think they did that on purpose. One second. We got 10 seconds until it drops. There's something that popped up on my Snapchat memories from when I used to drop ship. Good memories. All right, let's see how the futures react. I'm waiting for the news to pop up. I just saw it pop up on my phone. Let's see. Employment cost index plus 1.4%. consensus 1.1%. Elon Musk is tweeting the far left hates everyone, themselves included, in case anybody cares. Waiting for the PCE to drop. Employment cost index, yeah. Personal income 0.5%, expectation 0.4%. Personal spending 1.1%, expectation 0.6%. So that's way over expectations. That can be seen as positive and negative. We'll see how the market takes it. What else we got? Let's see, core PCE. Why does Delta 1 always tweet it in a weird way? PCE core index plus 0.3% and plus 5.2% on the year. Hold on, I'm waiting for Zero Hedge to tweet it. He tweets it in an easier way to comprehend and read it to you guys. Good morning. Right now we're just waiting for the right numbers to come out. March PCE price index 0.9%, plus 0.9% rate on the month, plus 6.6% on the year. Alrighty. Our future's gonna die, or are they gonna rip? Give it a couple minutes to comprehend. Yeah, I'm still watching JKS for a swing. Still waiting patiently. I want that weekly 21 EMA. Come on, Zero Hedge. Whatever. I ain't waiting for you. Cool. How many likes we got? We got 100 something likes. 101. Need y'all to run it up to 150. But it looks like the futures are not liking the news. S&P looks like it's pulling back. Yep. You think we dip? What do you guys think? We dip or rip today? Yep, that weekly squeeze on JKS. Been watching that thing for a hot minute. Let's see, create an alert. If the futures die. Cool. Alright, let's see what we can get on the list today. What do we like? What do we not like? Process of elimination. Again, you guys can watch PFE if you would like. I'm not going to. Baba. Pretty interested in that flag. Or maybe we can get a gap fill to the downside. We'll see. Baba, Facebook. I mean, I would really like to see Facebook break. Let's see, 206, 207, ideally above the trend line is what I would like. We need the market to pump for that one though. Microsoft. Think we dip before the weekend? Okay. Microsoft would like to see that 30 minute squeeze fire up. Ideally, not really interested in puts unless it's below 286. Yeah, I would really like to see that Microsoft squeeze fire to the upside. Nvidia. Calls above 195, puts below 189.52. PayPal. Something had a really nice 30-minute squeeze. What was it? I think it was Roku. Yes. Above 96.69. I would be very interested in Roku. Liquidity is in the 100 calls for this week. I mean, it's got room. It could definitely rip there. Got a lot of room. All right, this is definitely going on the list. What do we got? We're waiting for the break above 96.69. $100 is going to be that psych number. It's going to act like a magnet. 101.63, that monthly pivot. I think it's got the room. I mean, it should have the room. That 100 is just going to be a whole psych number. Yeah, I like this. We can get that 30-minute squeeze to fire up. Would be very interested. So, Raku would be very interested if this 30-minute squeeze fired to the upside, looking for a break above 96.70 for calls, aiming for 100. Boom. There's that. Then what else we got? Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. We got 141 people up in here and 122 likes. Remember, if you want the watch list, 150 likes, baby. I also wanted to look at Twitter. Twitter's been a weird one. Yesterday I didn't trade it. There was like a huge seller waiting right above that that level, so we didn't actually take the trade. Twitter not interested. Let's go back to the top of the list. Set an alert both ways. Boom. Yeah, so that Baba flag really interests me. Looks like it's pretty much already breaking. Keep an eye on that. Again, I'm more than likely gonna prioritize buying QQQ. It's been a weird week to trade. I'll be completely content with not taking a trade whatsoever today. Had a good week, made money, so can't complain. Looking at the level 2. Level 2. Yeah, Facebook looks strong. I wouldn't really like shorting Facebook, because even below 201, it's got that psych number of 200. I would really like to see Facebook fire up on that 30-minute squeeze. Get like a little scalp to 207 and then look to take it higher. So, Facebook, love. Microsoft. Good morning. We'll come back to Microsoft. I do really like that. If the squeeze can fire up. Nvidia. Again, a video above 195.67. I'd be interested in some calls. Squeeze is saying the low compression wants to fire up, so we'll keep an eye on that. Let's see, yesterday's high, 237, basically that whole psych number. It's got some nice range. Looks like it's doing like a little inverse head and shoulders on the 4 hour. shoulder, head, maybe shoulder number 2 once it comes up to 237. Actually, it did yesterday, so maybe it's forming shoulder number 2 right now. And then it breaks and it goes. We'll see. PayPal. There's a lot of good setups. It's just, it depends what the futures end up doing. Right now, they're kind of just consolidating, not giving clear direction. But yeah, if Apple and Amazon pull, the whole market's going with it. That's why I'm a little hesitant on putting out all these calls. We might have some Tesla fun today. See, close was at 887.5. Where did this level come from? Oh, that I see. That's supposed to be here. Yeah, we could watch Tesla both ways. What was yesterday's high? Here was yesterday's high. Above 914 for calls. Ideally would like to see it to the downside. Get that nice little gap down. It's like sitting at the 200-day SMA, which is at 903. 903.08. Right there. 914, 935. I would like to see what Tesla does if it breaks down. That's probably, I'll probably put that one out a little closer to market open. So I guess let's get Facebook put out. Facebook will come back to Baba. FB. Nice 30-minute squeeze, break above 206.15, take it to like 207, which is going to be that trend line. If it cracks above the trend line, probably going a lot higher. We actually have that weekly pivot right at 207 as well. Yesterday's high, 208.53. The high of the trend line, 210, and then 213.11. Cool. Facebook, want to see how this 30-minute squeeze plays out. Looking for a break above 206.15 for calls. Price target equal 207, 208.53, 210.14, 213.11. 1 hour bull flag as well. Cool. Abby buy. Dead. Anyways, so we got Roku. I'm very interested in that Roku squeeze. Very interested in the Facebook squeeze. Market doesn't know what the heck it's gonna do. What else can we put out? That one might be a little closer to market open. Microsoft, again, very interested in that 30-minute squeeze. I would really like to see it above 290.94. Look to take it higher. Got a lot of room. You can see it's been solid resistance multiple times. This gives us at least 293.56. We do have 1 hour support way over here. Other than that, 293.41 level is going to be interesting, but it's got room. 290, what is that? 292.76 is going to be that 50 SMA. 294.7 is going to be the 55 EMA. Cool. Let's see. Ideally, I'd like to see this break up. I will watch both ways below 286 for puts. But yeah, I really like. Looks like we're kind of getting a symmetrical triangle right here as well. Or not a symmetrical triangle, ascending triangle. I like 290, 291 for a break on Microsoft. It really depends what that squeeze does. Microsoft, same thing. 30-minute squeeze. Ideally, would like to see this above 291 for calls. Price target equal 292.76. 293.41. 294.7. 296.16. Cool, lots of 30-minute squeezes today. I love it. Hopefully they just all don't fire down like they did on what was that, Monday? I think it was Monday. There's Microsoft. Then maybe it comes back to the trend line. There's so many different things that can happen with Microsoft today. Nvidia. Somebody said Grizzlies watching Walmart, Tesla, Nvidia, and Baba. Yeah, that Baba does look interesting. Same with Tesla. The Nvidia, like I said, we can watch it both ways. One above 195.67 or below 189.52. Thank you for becoming a channel member. I greatly appreciate you. Now you get the cool emojis. You can do Elon smoking a big old doobie. I use Thinkorswim. What I use. Let's see. Yeah, that video might actually be on the watch list today. PayPal is interesting. You guys can watch PayPal above 91.5. The liquidity is in 92, 93. So probably look at the 92 or 93 goals. Tesla, like I said, Tesla looks really, really good. Ideally would like to see it above 914 or below 884.46. So I think what I'm going to do, wait a little closer to market open to figure out, you know, which one looks the best. Hopefully by then the futures actually show us, are they going to pump or are they going to dump? But yeah, I guess, you know, let's take the next 5 minutes. If anybody's got questions, I'll answer them. And I will drop the watch list in the chat. 1 second. Also super tired because I decided to take a rest day from the gym. So, oh no, not highly functioning this morning. Let's see. Did we hit 150 likes? We did not hit 150 likes. We need 4 more likes if you guys want this watch list. 4 more. Looks like Apple's pumping. So, oh well. 3 more likes, we're almost there. Again, thank you DJ for joining the channel member family. Actually, what I did end up doing, if anybody in here, all the channel members, what I did is I uploaded like 5 to 10 of my winning setups, so you guys can go through and basically see like what is my ideal A+ setup when it comes to day trading and swing trading. All of them are in the channel members tab, so members only. But yeah, hopefully you guys do like that. Cool, we got 150. Baking soda, you want me to do like Coke or something? That's the special powder. I saved that for later in the day, like 11 o'clock. That's a joke, by the way. People will take that seriously. Yeah, Team Bull, baby. Join Team Bull. So yeah, those are the 3 things that I'm going to be watching as of now. Remember, I'm also looking at Baba, Nvidia, PayPal, and Tesla. I'm just going to have to narrow it down and see which one I like the best. But other than that, whoa, thank you for the subscribe. Sorry, I got you guys on the speakers. But other than that, if you guys want to follow me on any of my socials, Instagram, Twitter, there we go, beacons. Instagram, Twitter, sign up for a one-on-one with me, whatever it is, anything that involves, you know, me, Brandon Trades, it's going to be in that link right there. So make sure to click that link right there, do whatever you need. Other than that, me, Grizzly, and GD are posting our, what is it, March mentorship group is going to start March 16th. So if you guys do want to join, here's the link for that. That is where we're running pretty low on seats. So once the seats sell out, it's gone. We also have Jay Morg teaching for a whole week, so you're going to learn from him. If you're looking to join Team Bull, again, click this link right here that I'm about to send. Right here. Click that link right there to join the Discord. And yeah, let's run it up today. Let's make some money. I need to go get some G Fuel in my body before the market opens. Let's run it up today. It's Lotto Friday, baby. My favorite day of the week. Yeah, hopefully everybody's able to make money. I might go live tomorrow and actually make... No, not March, May. May mentorship. Bro, I'm so terrible when it comes to March and May. I literally have screwed that up my entire life. What was I saying? I might go live tomorrow, make the weekly watch list with you guys. You guys really liked it last week, so I might do it again tomorrow. What's everybody think about that? 11 a.m. tomorrow, make the watch list. You guys let me know. Yeah, I did the disclaimer. Yes, I did. Tomorrow, yeah. All right, we can do that. Cool. So yes, yes, last week's is uploaded. It's on my channel, actually. Hold on, I'll show it to you. Yeah, and if you guys are not subscribed, make sure you guys are subscribed, because literally I have so many videos on how to trade. Where is it? This one right here. So yeah, make sure y'all join up tomorrow. Book update, still waiting for them to put the edits in. I'm supposed to have it back tomorrow or next Friday, hopefully, or not tomorrow, today or next Friday. So hopefully hopefully I get it today. That would be ideal. That way I can give it to you guys within 2 weeks. But yeah, let's run it up. Let's make some money today. As always, I wish everybody the best. Sorry, I'm a little tired this morning, but let's make some money. Lotto Friday, and I will talk to everybody tomorrow, 11 a.m. Eastern time.